So far, we have been able to style our HTML based on element names. So let's say I want to style all HTML code surrounded by certain elements. We know how to do that. The only issue is it is not all the time you want an effect to be applied to all elements of a particular type. This is where classes come in handy. So for example, let's say I want to apply the color purple to just one of the strong elements and not all of them. How do I apply it? I will create a class with the instruction, for example, the color, and then apply it to a single strong element. So now let's say I have a class here called cool. What makes it a class? In CSS, if you want to create a class, we start with a full stop, then the name of the class, then the curly brackets, just like other elements. Then within it, we have your instructions, your properties, and your values. We have two instructions here, one for color and one for the font family, which is the font. So I can come over here to apply the class to one of the strong elements. I am going to apply it to the Python text. And of course, to apply the class to the strong element, all you need to do is to call the class attribute. The value of the class attribute is the actual class you want to apply to the element. You can actually apply this class to other elements, but for now, let us just apply it to the Python text. As you can see, only Python is purple because in this situation, I didn't apply the effect to all strong types. I only applied it to the text, Python. Now, let's say I want to apply this same effect to, let's say, the first paragraph. All we need to do is to add the class to the first paragraph as well. So all I do is to go there, call the class attribute, and call the class, which is cool. Now you can see that both the first paragraph and the Python text are purple. So this is how we use classes for more targeted approach towards styling our elements. It's kind of different from just styling a particular element and every text within the element has that style. This is a better, more specific approach to styling.